Did you know that 3 million women left their jobs in 2020? Now, they left during the year of the pandemic, but chances are they were already feeling undervalued and underpaid at their job. And so then when the pandemic hit, they were left to choose between their career and their children. And now these women are looking for opportunities where they can earn an income from home and still have the flexibility of being with their families. If you can resonate with these women and you're looking to create an income from home, then a doTERRA business might be right for you. For me, once I realized how much these oils impacted our family's health, it didn't take long for me to start naturally sharing them with my friends and family. I would share a peppermint sample with my mom who had a headache. I was giving an easy air sample to my nephew who had bad asthma. And then I was asked if I wanted to host a class, and I was so excited about it because I really wanted my friends to learn more about these amazing natural solutions. So I hosted a class. I had 5 of my closest friends there, and someone else taught the class for me. And at the end, 3 of my friends also got started with their own wholesale account. And I received a paycheck from doTERRA that covered the cost of my monthly order. So it didn't take me long to figure out that the more I shared with people and the more I showed them how to empower themselves with these natural solutions, I could create an income while working from home. As a mom of 5, our lives are so busy with all the things. I had no interest in doing a business when I first started using these oils. What I love so much about working from home is that I never have to miss a soccer game or a basketball game or a piano recital, and I get to be with my kids whether they are doing virtual learning at home or whether they are in school. I never have to miss out on anything. Before I became a mom, I was a social worker and then an elementary school teacher. So I love that with doTERRA, I have combined my passion for helping others with my passion for education, and now I get to empower other people to use natural solutions in their home. Now, you might be wondering, but how can I make money with doTERRA? Well, what I do is actually quite simple. I share a sample of essential oils with people. I teach them how to use those oils. Then I get them started with their own wholesale account, and then I support them along their journey. And that's it. And I do this over and over and over again. And I love that millions and millions of families all around the world are impacted by these magical little brown bottles. The best part is you get to decide how you want to do your business. You get to decide how much time you want to commit to it. Whether you're looking to just cover the cost of your monthly order, whether you want to supplement your income, or whether you want to leave your job and replace your income, you get to decide. And within just a few years, it won't take long before your part-time commitment can become a full-time income. So how do you know if this is right for you? Well, do you love natural health? Do you love people? And can you follow a simple system and get things done? If you answered yes to these questions, then a doTERRA business could be right for you. So talk with the wellness advocate that invited you to watch this video, and they'll help you get started.